So friends, today we will learn how to draw Lord Jagannath with very easy steps. So let's start the main drawing. At first we will draw the Balarama's drawing. Here we will draw a vertical line for the proper balance. Now draw a square shape for the head and erase the corner curvely. Then we will draw the necklace with two curved lines and complete the dresses like a inverted bowl shape, and complete the hands with two circle shapes. Similarly, we will complete the drawing of little sister Subhadra and Jagannath. They are looking almost same, so we will apply the same process for the basic drawing. Now complete the detailing. Draw the eyes like this. Complete the face and detail the dresses in this way. So our whole drawing is completed. Now we will start applying color. Here we will apply pencil color and pastel color very brightly. Here Balaram's skin color is white, Subhadra's yellow and Jagannath black. For the dresses, apply bright colors like this and complete the ornaments. See, in this bright color they are looking so gorgeous. Similarly, complete the others two characters Subhadra and Balaram. When you will apply the black color, use black glass marking pencil and merge it with black brown pencil color. After all, our whole painting is completed. I hope you enjoy the painting. So wish you all very happy Rath Yatra. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel. Hit the like button and share it with your friends. Good luck to you all. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you and bye bye.